To make a stir fry, I'll be greasing my pan. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. You could use any oil of your choice, but I'm using canola oil. So we'll leave this to heat up a little bit. Next, we'll be going in with our chopped garlic. We'll give this a good stir. Next, I'll be going in with my chopped onion. I'll also give this a good stir. It smells so good. Next, I'll be going in with my chopped carrots. I'll go ahead to stir this. It's now time to go in with my veggies. I'll also give this a good stir to combine. I'll go in with some chopped Scotch Bonnets, just a little, and I'll season this with some curry, thyme, chili and paprika. Give it a good stir to combine. I'll further season it with some bouillon cubes. This is our air-fried potato. We'll be going in with it, and then we'll stir it gently. We're going with our chicken as well. We'll give it a good stir. Now we'll be going in with our sauce. We'll first going with our soy sauce. I'll be going in with some oyster sauce. And lastly, I'll be going in with my sesame oil. Once that is done, I'll combine it gently so that everything mixes. At this point, you should be cooking on a low heat. So I'll just stir this and then leave it to sit on a low heat so that everything incorporates. So I'll just leave this on a low heat for a minute. I'll be topping this off with some parsley flakes and Italian herbs, and then I'll give it a good stir. You can add fresh parsley, but I don't have fresh parsley, that's why I'm using a dry parsley. So our chicken and potato stir fry is ready. Our stir fry is ready. This is how our chicken and potato stir fry looks. It looks so appealing. I can't wait to devour this, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're trying this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post a new video.